Hey, what's up with you? Hello students. In this slang lesson, I'm going to teach you how to use this question. What's up with you? When we ask, what's up with you, we are asking what is wrong. This is informal, which means we use this when we are talking to friends or people that we know. When we ask this question, what's up with you, we do tend to have a little attitude. For example, we don't say, what's up with you? We say, what's up with you? Our body language will show you that we want to know what is wrong. Usually when someone is not happy, we say, what's the matter? Or what's wrong? We can use this for both formal and informal conversation. But when we say, what's up with you? This is more informal. For example, you are talking to your friend and you say, hey, how are you? And the person says, not too good. You say, what's up with you? Which means, what is wrong? A second example is, let's say you are meeting up with your friend and you look at your friend and your friend is looking upset. And you say, hey, what's up with you? Now, depending on the person you are talking to, they will tell you what is wrong, or they might simply say, nothing, or they do something like this. This means shrugging shoulders, and this means I don't know. Or if the person does not want to share with you, they will also do this. So this means I don't know, or it could be a way to tell the person they do not want to tell you what's wrong with them. Let's review. When someone says, hey, what's up with you? What they're asking is, what is wrong? And you can tell them anything. I am not happy. I feel upset. I am angry. Whatever your answer is fine. But remember, they're asking you what is wrong. And this is informal. If you are talking to someone that you don't know, it's better to say what's wrong or what's the matter, because this is more polite. I hope you enjoyed today's slang lesson, What's Up With You? Thank you so much for listening today. Always try your best, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Have a great day, students.